There was once an old fisherman who was a farmed fish owner, and his reputation for selling high-quality fish was known far and wide.
Why is this fish so fresh and firm? Feel how firm it is. The eyes are clear and the gills are bright red.
Amazing! I'll take two.
I am Nelly. Welcome to Mama 学英语 English for Mom.
Fresh fish, line up for the best catch.
I'll take 3, please.
Here you are. That's 2 coins. Thank you.
Next, who's next for fresh fish? Good morning, fresh fish, very fresh.
2 of those silver ones, please.
Excellent choice, here you are.
Thank you.
1 red fish, please. Right away, sir.
1 for me, please. Your fish are always so fresh and firm.
Only the best for you, caught fresh this morning.
Wonderful. I'll take this one.
A fine choice. Enjoy.
You're welcome. Come again.
All my fish are freshly sourced from my own fish firm. They taste better than anyone else's. That's right. Here, try one. Wow, thanks. It looks amazing.
Enjoy. Come back soon.
That is my secret. That is my secret. What makes his fish so fresh and firm?
We fish in the same waters. We fish in the same waters. Let's cast the net together. How can his fish be better than ours? Yeah, it doesn't make sense. Let's go find out what he's doing. Good idea, let's go. All right. Now's our chance. What's the secret behind how this old man makes his fish so strong and big? Yeah, they look so healthy. We need to get a closer look. Right, let's figure this out. Today, we are going to uncover his secret. I can feel it. We're so close now. This is going to be amazing. Let's go get that secret.
They leaned over the tank, expecting to find some special herbs or secret equipment.
Huh? Nothing? I don't see anything unusual. Except for one large fish swimming fiercely back and forth.
What is that big fish doing? Whoa, look at it go! It's so fast! Wow, amazing!
It looks like it's chasing the others. It's chasing them.
Indeed, the large fish darted through the water, stirring constant movement. The smaller fish had no chance to stay still. Smaller fish swam continuously to avoid the large fish. Suddenly, one fisherman gasped.
I think I understand. I understand!
The fish are always moving, so their flesh becomes firmer and fresher. That's why they're better. Just then, the old fisherman returned.
Seeing the group, he smiled knowingly. So, you've discovered my little secret. You've discovered my secret.
But isn't that cruel? One fisherman asked. Isn't that cruel?
It is not cruel, it is necessary.
Without movement, the fish become weak and soft.
The challenge keeps them strong. Challenges make them strong.
From that day on, the fishermen not only changed the way they kept their fish, but also the way they viewed difficulties in life.
从那一天起，渔夫们不仅改变了他们保存鱼的方法，也改变了他们看待人生困难的方式。
If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update.
Next up, vocabulary. Let's break down some interesting words we just encountered. 新鲜 something that is recently made, obtained, or not spoiled, clean and full of life. Firm, 结实, it means strong and solid, not soft or easily broken.
Yes, look how sturdy its hull is.
Exactly, firm means reliable and strong. Look at the harbor, it's a real puzzle, isn't it? We say puzzle when something is difficult to understand or solve. See, it's like the boats on the water.
Secret, 秘密, something that is kept hidden or not known by many people. Cruel, 残忍, causing pain or suffering to others without care or sympathy. It's time for our Q&A session. What problem did the fisherman originally face?
A. He could not catch enough fish. B. His fish became soft and lifeless before selling. C. His boat was too small. D. Customers refused to buy fish. The answer is B. His fish became soft and lifeless before selling. I found a fisherman whose fish were amazing. Why do you think that was? Was it A, cheaper fish, B, larger fish, C, lively and firm, or the answer might surprise you? The answer is C. His fish stayed lively and firm.
Why might some people think the fisherman's method was cruel?
Which of the following was a negative effect of overfishing? A. It caused unnecessary stress to the fish. B. It wasted too many fish. C. It took too much time.
The answer is A. It caused unnecessary stress to the fish.
What is the secret referred to in the story?
What is the secret to successful fishing? A. A hidden fishing location. B. A special type of net. C. A method that keeps fish active under pressure. D. A secret market for selling fish.
The answer is C. A method that keeps fish active under pressure. What life lesson can be learned from the story? A. Avoid all difficulties in life. B. Hard work always leads to success. C. Challenges can keep us active and strong. The answer is C. Challenges can keep us active and strong. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and ring the notification bell so you never miss update. It's time to say goodbye for now. See you in the next lesson.